Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make slow cooked short ribs. Guys, let's get right into it. As you know, Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's get started guys. First, we're gonna season our short ribs with salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay. All right. On the stove, I have my pan going. I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna let it smoke hot, then I will add the short ribs. Now I'm gonna add short ribs to the pan. Next, I'm gonna cut garlic in half. I'll then add it to the meat. It's gonna give it that wonderful flavor. Now we're gonna flip our meat. Make sure guys you sear the short ribs on each of the 4 sides for about a minute per side. Just like so guys. All 4 sides browned. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. At this point, we're gonna add wine, about 2 cups. Then I'm gonna let it reduce to half. I'm gonna bring the wine to boil and reduce it. This burns the alcohol and concentrates the flavor guys. So it's gonna give it that nice rich color. Now we're gonna add our beef stock. It's time to add herbs. In goes rosemary, thyme, 2 bay leaves. I'm gonna turn off my heat and cover my pan with aluminum foil. Then I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 2 hours at 350 Fahrenheit. There you go. Okay. Now the ribs are ready. Yeah, take off. Oh my God. Look at that. Guys. Oh, smells so good in here. Now we're gonna transfer them to a photo. This looks so good. There you have it guys, slow cooked short ribs. Let me explain this dish. Most of you guys, you know that it should come with the gravy and stuff like that. No, in my country where I come from, when we cook meat, we like to cook meat this way. Then we make gravy on the side. Then when we dish, we put everything together. This is how we cook the short ribs. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Let me know how it turned out. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. Please don't forget to subscribe.